time.sleep, sleep's thread or process. In Python for Nix, does time.sleep block the thread or the process?
It blocks the thread. If you look in modules/time_module.c in the Python source, you'll see that in the call to float sleep, the substantive part of the sleep operation is wrapped in a py_begin_allow_threads and py_end_allow_threads block, allowing other threads to continue to execute while the current one sleeps. You can also test this with a simple Python program. Which will print
It will just sleep the thread except in the case where your application has only a single thread, in which case it will sleep the thread and effectively the process as well. The Python documentation on sleep doesn't specify this, however, so I can certainly understand the confusion.
Just the thread.
The thread will block, but the process is still alive. In a single-threaded application, this means everything is blocked while you sleep. In a multi-threaded application, only the thread you explicitly sleep will block and the other threads still run within the process.